We're going to be solving for x, given that x is equal to 2 mod 3, 3 mod 5, and 2 mod 7. So first we want to multiply all of these values together. Let's call it m equals 3 times 5 times 7, which is just equal to 105. Then we can find our partial products, m1, m2, m3, which is just 105, our m, divided by these values, divided by 3, 105 divided by 5, 105 divided by 7. These are just 35, 21, and 15. The next step is finding the modular inverses. So then we'll start off with, for mod 3, so we'll start off mod 3 part. So for this, we take 35 times some number will give us 1 mod 3. We choose 1 here because we want it as in like the same way how you do 35 times 1 over 35 gives us 1. It's like we want the inverse of it, but it's a little harder because we're in mod 3. So we know 35 is equal to 3 times 11 plus 2, which means 35 is the same as 2 in mod 3. So 2 times y1 equals 1 mod 3. So what's the inverse of 2 in mod 3? Well, it's 2, because if you think about it, 2 times 2 is 4. Mod 3 gives us 1, right? So that means our y1 value equals 2. If we scroll down a little bit, we can go for mod 5 now. Same thing as before, right? We take our value up here, our 21. 21 times y2 equals 1. This time mod 5, right? It's different section of the question. 21 mod 5 is just 1 times y2 equals 1 mod 5. This means y2 can just be 1. We don't need to do anything crazy. For mod 7, we have 15 times y3 equals 1 mod 7. And the same kind of thing happens. Because 7 times 2 is 14. So then all we have left is 1 times y3 equals 1 mod 7. So y3 is also equal to 1. So then now we actually have to find the value of x. So our solution is going to look like a1 times m1 times y1 plus a2 times m2 times y2 plus a3 times m3 times y3. And if you're doing a different kind of question, you just keep on going for however many of these you have. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So we have 2 times 35 times 2. This one's just given by the question. All these a's are for free. These are all of our 105 divided by whatever the mod is. And these are all the values we just calculated. So we can just continue. 3 times 21 times 1 plus 2 times 15 times 1. So this is 2 times 35, 70, 70 times 2, 140, plus 3 times 21, which is 63, and 2 times 15, which is 30. So that gives us x is equal to 233. Since our 233 is greater than our 105 that we had before, we can actually reduce it even more. So 233 divided by 105 is 2 with a remainder of 23, which means our actual value of x is x equals 23 mod 105. And technically, any possible answer to this question would be 23 plus 105k, would all give you a valid solution.